Aluminum's exceptional lightness supports high-speed manufacturing and efficient transport.
Power begins as a raw form. Precision shapes performance. Strength develops under time.
This shot blasting process removes all residue, achieving the surface purity required for the next stage.
Accuracy defines modern engines. Patience strengthens components.
Traceability follows every Supra MK-5 component.
Raw materials are ready to move forward. Control prevents damage before transport. Correct placement protects integrity. As we move these aluminum blocks, remember that heavier components demand added care and precise movements. Rotational components travel fully protected. Every component is digitally tracked. Containment completes preparation. The parts begin their synchronized journey. Thousands of parts converge here. Access is controlled without exception. Flow is engineered, not improvised. The delivery completes the logistics phase.
Here, inbound materials are exposed to the system.
Verification precedes movement. Barcode scanning complete. Everything looks secure.
Confirmed, we are clear to unload.
Controlled extraction is crucial to prevent distortion of the panels.
Flow transitions inward. Mass demands precision.
Rotational components, such as these crankshafts, require careful isolation to minimize vibration during.
Digital traceability begins at arrival.
The separation of these materials into distinct lanes is crucial to prevent congestion in the assembly area.
Internal transport follows programmed paths. Multiple systems coexist without conflict.
The tugger delivers the Supra MK-5 steel panel pallet directly into the designated buffer zone. Here, the timing is managed precisely before assembly.
Placement defines accessibility.
The reinforced infrastructure is critical here, designed to support the significant mass of the incoming Supra engine blocks.
Precision parts demand stability.
The factory prepares to build.
Structure begins with raw form.
Alignment defines accuracy. In an environment this precise, millimeters truly matter. Bonding begins instantly.
The side frame panels are aligned with pinpoint accuracy. Symmetry is enforced mechanically, ensuring a perfect fit every time.
Repetition builds strength.
form becomes self-supporting. The finished Supra MK-5 body shell is smoothly lifted by the overhead conveyor cradle, ensuring the shell moves forward intact.
Strength is verified digitally.
The structure is complete.
Invisible residues are removed first. As the shell fully submerges, the total contact ensures complete cleanliness. The cleaning solution ensures that even hidden surfaces are treated equally. Preparation continues through patience. Corrosion protection begins next.
The protection bonds at the molecular level.
Longevity is engineered silently.
The electrocoat process ensures that all excess coating drain back into the recovery channels. This efficiency preserves material for reuse. Stability returns before paint. This meticulous inspection process ensures that any defects are identified long before the application of the final color coat.
Craftsmanship still matters. The final rinse ensures the surface is completely reset before painting begins.
With the final alignment complete, the surface is now perfectly prepared and ready for the application of color.
Contamination is eliminated before color begins.
The ionized air sweep neutralizes static charges, ensuring precise surface control for a perfectly uniform paint flow.
The primer creates the foundation for color.
The primer layer settles smoothly, ensuring consistent matte coverage. At this stage, the critical adhesion begins.
Identity takes shape as the first base coat is applied with absolute precision.
Gloss depends on control.
With this final clear coat, the vehicle's stunning finish and long-term durability are permanently sealed in.
The color is complete.
As the shell enters the oven, the intense heat ensures the paint cures perfectly, locking in the finish integrity at 180 degrees Celsius.
Perfection is verified visually.
With the painting process finalized, the exterior is now complete, and the shell moves to the final assembly area.
Structure now receives function.
The narration explains that electronics form the nervous system.
Precision prevents future failure.
Power and control now link front to cabin.
The cockpit takes shape.
The climate control is engineered early, allowing the HVAC module to be secured directly behind the dashboard frame with precision.
The infotainment cables are now connected to the central control unit. As the plugs seat correctly, the information
Driver control begins here. Response systems are calibrated.
The connectors lock and the display seats flush, allowing the feedback to become visible. The mechanical and electronic connections seat securely, ensuring that motion control is unified. The seat mounting rails are bolted to the chassis floor. Safety anchor.
Power is applied for the initial systems check, and the vehicle begins to wake.
The partially completed Supra MK-5 moves forward towards seat installation and final cabin assembly. The interior framework is now complete.
Safety and comfort are prepared together.
The installation begins, understanding that driver position defines control.
Restraint and sensor systems come online.
The seats are briefly powered to confirm forward, backward, and height movement. This motion confirms alignment. As the module locks into place, we see how structure meets function, ensuring a precise fit every time. Patience ensures integrity.
The cabin begins to feel complete.
The molded headliner is secured overhead, completely sealing the sound control above.
The Supra moves forward toward exterior panel installation and final closure. The cabin is now sealed.
Precision defines the first impression. Rigidity protects performance.
Form follows airflow.
Visibility defines presence.
Automated sensors precisely measure the panel gaps. This confirmed symmetry reflects the superior build quality of the vehicle.
Airflow management begins above. The hood is now securely latched, confirming that the safety mechanism is fully engaged and verified. Access meets structure. The exterior now stands complete.
Sound exits with intent.
Final accuracy begins before release.
Straight lines begin with exact angles.
During these electronic checks, we ensure the steering response is precise. Because above all else, the control must feel natural.
Because when it comes to true performance, the unseen areas matter most.
The powerful air jets ensure that absolutely no moisture remains unchecked on the vehicle's surface. The heart proves its readiness.
Intelligence confirms integrity.
Perfection is verified by human eyes.
To guarantee a flawless delivery condition, a specialized transport protection film is meticulously applied to the paint surfaces.
For times when movement demand protection, these temporary wheel covers and interior seat wraps ensure everything stays pristine.
Thousands of vehicles, perfectly aligned. Here, readiness waits in order.
Ownership begins with records.
The journey continues beyond the factory.
And this is how modern factories build the Toyota GR Supra MK-5 from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.